How to fix login issues in PrizePicks. Now, if you're having issues logging into your PrizePicks account, whether you're on mobile or web, there are many reasons. First is your internet connection, so you want to make sure that you are logged into your internet. After that, PrizePicks actually requires a location permission in background, so you must allow location permission if you're using from web, or if you're using from the app, you have to go to its settings to allow the location access. You can also try to clear the cache and the data of the PrizePicks app if you're on mobile. If you're on web, try to clear the cache files of your browser by clicking the three dots icon from the top right hand side, then simply navigating to settings. On the left hand side, go to privacy and security, go to delete browsing data, and then just click on cache images and files and click on the delete data option to go ahead and then delete the data. Now, even after you do all this, you're still not being able to log in. Chances are you must have entered an incorrect password. So click on the forgot password button, type in the email address under which your PrizePicks account was associated with, click on send instructions. It will send you a reset link to your PrizePicks email. So just log into your email and you'll be taken to the page where you can choose a new password without having to remember your old password. This way you can fix login issues in PrizePicks. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.